Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome back to another Thursday Facebook Live tutorial or another video tutorial if you're watching on YouTube. Today I wanted to do another Halloween treat. I have a treat today and a treat on Saturday, and then I have a fun new technique for you starting on Monday. Okay. So this is that I am using the Design a Treat bundle. No, I'm not actually using the stamp set. I am using the dies today. And I love this little Design a Treat box. It's so cute. It is small, so beware, it's small. You don't have to spend a whole lot on treats. But I've already die cut a black box right here. And then we have lots of different pieces that can go with it. You can do like a little bow for presents. We have ears, small ears. We have bunny ears, antlers. We have a bat, which is what we're using today because it's Halloween. And then look, all these numbers we have, which are great to make an advent calendar out of, or any type of countdown calendar, or birthdays. I mean, if you want to, post numbers for birthdays, this is excellent. I'm going to have to use this more. Okay. And then I've also die cut in oval. So let's get our pieces out. Here's our black box. We have a black bat, and then I just cut a white oval. Okay. So what I want to do is make this a box that I can put my Tootsie Pop in. So I need a little circle for my what's the word for my stick to go through. So I'm just going to kind of look at this and see if I can make just a little dot there so I can see what I'm doing. And then you can take a 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch hole punch, whatever you have, and just punch a hole and make sure that your stick will fit through that. Now, 1/8 of an inch is pretty tight, but it will slide in there. Okay, so next I want to fold my box on all the score lines. So I'm going to fold in, this is my base, fold in on the 4 pieces. All right, and then on these, the slotted pieces, these are going to fold in as well. And then we fold in here, and then there's this little half circle, that's going to actually fold the other way. That's the only piece that's folding the opposite way. Okay, then we have some side tabs on these 2 sides. All right, and I think that's everything folded. Now you can take your bone folder and fold it a little tighter if you want. It's up to you. But this is really easy to put together. You don't even need adhesive. Unless you want adhesive. If you want your box to stay in a box shape, you would put adhesive on these little tabs and then glue those together. I'm not even going to worry about that. I am going to, now this is the one trick with your Tootsie Pops. There's not much room, so you either need to make it real tight so that paper kind of threads through a little. Let's see. Or let's try making it a little bit bigger and see what happens. We're going to do a 1/4 inch. And see if we can get all that Tootsie Pop paper down in there and it's nice and snug. So we are going to go that route. Okay. So we're going to bring up our two sides with the ovals, or with the half circles. Those are our tops, so I'm just going to hold it by those. And then this will go up on the side, and that little slot fits over the ovals. Or why do I keep calling them ovals? Over the half circles. I don't know why because I have this, and now I'm thinking the word oval. Okay. And then we bring up our other side, slide it over our half circles on top, and then that holds our box closed. Just get that. It's a little tight because my Tootsie Pop's a little big. Isn't that cute? I mean, it's nice and snug, but it's perfectly, I feel like I've got something going on with my video here. All right, I don't know. I'm only seeing a small thing, but that's okay. All right, so we have our box, we have our Tootsie Pop in there. So we have our bat, and you can see it has little kind of score lines where the wings are. Super cute. We're gonna dress him up a little bit. I'm gonna grab a couple googly eyes. Now, most crafters have a supply of googly eyes in their stash, which I have all kinds and all sizes of googly eyes. I have colors. I'm just going to take 2 of these little white ones, and I think these are like maybe 5mm. And I'm just going to stick those right on my bat with a couple of glue dots. Let's make sure they're even so he's not like cockeyed there. Okay. Cute. And then I'm just going to take a couple of, I'm just going to take 1 glue dot on the back of my bat right here and stick it on. His wings are designed to fit over the sides of the box. So I'm just going to stick him right onto that little half circle thing that we have right there. Okay, now we are going to take our oval, and I'm going to use the Boo out of the Scary Cute set. I could also use, if you just have this bundle, you could do For You. But since we have the Boo, and it fits perfectly on our little oval, if I can get it straight, let's see if that happens. Well, let's try it one more time. Perfect. I think I re-inked that, so it was a little on the juicy side. So we're going to pop this up. Let's grab a dimensional. We just need 1 little mini dimensional. We're going to pop this up right on the front, right here. And then last, I'm going to take my washi tape, my glitter washi tape. I'm going to use the black because I don't need a lot of color. And I'm going to start it on the back. And I'm just going to take this sparkle and wrap it around the bottom just to give it a little fun bling to our bat. And then we can just tear that off and overlap the back a little bit. Isn't that cute? So quick and easy. You are going to want to make a bunch of these, and you can do this with the antlers. You could do Christmas treats. I may do a Christmas treat later with the little reindeer because we have this adorable face. You put a red gem right on his nose and you have Rudolph pops. I'm definitely making that. Okay, hope you all enjoyed this, and yeah, I think I'm gonna make Rudolph Pops for workshops next month, and then I will share that with you as well. All right, thanks so much everybody for stopping by. I will put a list of supplies and measurements. We really didn't even have measurements. You just use your cardstock and die cut your pieces, but I'll put the supply list on my blog along with photos. Oh, I forgot one thing, my ribbon's sitting here. Oh my gosh. Let's add a bow. Now this is optional. If you're giving these out to the neighbor kids who just tear them up and eat them, don't put the ribbon on. Ribbon is for special people. And you know, I probably wouldn't even put glitter. If I was giving this to the neighbor kids, I wouldn't even put my washi because, you know, that's like gold, right? But if you're giving these out at work and everybody looks forward to your treats, definitely, or your grandchildren or your children or the teachers, definitely put on the glitter washi tape and the ribbon, because I mean, how cute is that? It's adorable. All right. Thanks, everybody. And I have one more Halloween treat that I'm going to share on Saturday. So make sure to check back Saturday, and I'll see you then. All right. Bye, everyone.